Welcome to 10 Sillett Drive, a beautifully updated 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom executive home nestled on a premium pie-shaped lot within Central West Ajax. Showcasing a triple-car garage with both a single and double door, as well as a patterned concrete driveway and tiered walkway to the front entrance. Glass panel double doors open into a freshly painted home with pot lighting throughout its approximately 3,800 square feet of living space, and a main level with a very spacious reception area finished with thin slat oak hardwood flooring that is also showcased in the formal entertaining rooms. Very generous in their sizes and having an aura of refined elegance, the living and dining rooms have a subtle color palette with natural light streaming through their windows that enhances their spaciousness. Both are well suited for either intimate or large-scale entertaining, and the dining room also features wall sconces for ambient lighting, as well as direct access from the kitchen for entertaining convenience. The remaining main level principal rooms have been updated with engineered hardwood flooring, which finishes the private home office, the kitchen area, as well as the family room. Featuring the rustic charm of a brick fireplace with a tiled hearth and enjoying gorgeous views of the backyard greenery, the family room has its own distinct space while maintaining an openness to the adjacent breakfast and kitchen areas. Exceptional in their spaciousness, functionality, and beauty, the kitchen and breakfast areas also enjoy gorgeous backyard views. With the bright, modern kitchen showcasing quartz counters and backsplashes, a center island, light-colored cabinetry with abundant storage, as well as a dishwasher and stainless steel double undermount sink, oven, and French door fridge. And to complement the cabinetry storage is a walk-in pantry behind double doors in the breakfast area. The sliding door walkout opens to the privacy of the premium-sized backyard, an outstanding outdoor entertaining space that features a tiered deck with built-in seating and which is landscaped with garden areas, as well as surrounded by majestic evergreens and mature shade trees. This home also has a partially finished lower level with abundant recreational and storage space, as well as a separate entrance, while the main level additionally features a foyer with stone-tiled flooring and a double coat closet, a combined laundry and mudroom with storage cabinets and shelves, a washer and dryer, another double coat closet, access to the garage, as well as a secondary entrance and staircase that provide a separate entrance for the lower level, and a powder room with ceramic flooring and a contemporary vanity, while to both the upper and lower levels are curved staircases with the classic finish of stained hardwood treads and railing with white risers and spindles. Engineered hardwood flooring flows throughout the upper level, which showcases 5 incredibly spacious bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and natural light permeating every room. Off the landing are the 4th and 5th bedrooms, both which feature double closets, ample space for sitting or study areas, and views of the backyard greenery. The main 5-piece washroom features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as lots of storage and a vanity updated with a quartz counter. And both the second and third bedrooms enjoy the natural brightness of southeasterly exposures, have good-sized closets, as well as space for sitting or study areas. Through a double-door entry is the master suite, with this very generously sized private retreat showcasing a sun-washed sitting area by its turret wall of windows, a dressing area outside its ensuite washroom that has a makeup vanity and both a walk-in and a single closet, while the ensuite itself features stone tiles finishing the floor and surrounding the step-up soaker tub, a vanity with countertop basins, and a separate shower area with glass door. Situated in a great family-minded neighborhood that is walking distance to Lincoln Alexander Public, St. Patrick Catholic Elementary, and Pickering High Schools. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Center Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401. And Ajax's beautiful waterfront park, with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario, is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.